have for years envisioned future V-22 weapons to better aid special operators moving into and out of hostile territory aboard a tilt-rotor aircraft. The list may now include lasers. Think traditional rockets and guns. John Bones Parker, Tiltrotor Business Development Manager for Boeing Co, and a former Marine aviator, told Military.com on Tuesday. But the services have said anything new will entertain, so you can think lasers and even non-type weapons like sonic waves or sound waves. Right double quotation mark. Parker told reporters during a Boeing media event at the company's facilities outside Washington, D.C., that officials have tested forward-firing weapon systems mounted on the fuselage, such as precision-guided 75-inch rockets and the tube-launched AGM-176 Griffin missile to demonstrate that the V-22 can fire both in the forward fight and also 60 degrees. Right double quotation mark. He said the intent is not to turn the V-22 into a close air support, AW-64 Apache or AW-1W Super Cobra-style attack gunship, but to have reinforcements. That would include a forward-firing gun, large caliber on the turret, precision-guided munitions out the front, out the back and out the hull hole, or in the hatch under the fuselage, he said. In 2015, the Marine Corps tested a non-explosive version of the Griffin missile on the MV-22. It traveled about 4-5 miles, according to Marine Corps Times. The Air Force flies the CV-22. The Boeing-built V-22 has the possibility of such capabilities, but Parker said the configuration differences between the variants are significant. Of the 300 or so V-22s already flying, there are about 75 different configurations per platform. The goal is to standardize, he said, but didn't elaborate. Whether lasers could enhance munitions, Parker reiterated, it's not a program of record yet, but it is something on the drawing board. Right double quotation mark. Navy V-22. Meanwhile, the Navy's V-22 program is on track to eventually produce 48 aircraft for the Sea Service, Parker said. The requirement was always there, he said. The Navy has since determined it only needs 44 of the aircraft, dubbed CM-V-22 and designed to replace the C-2A Greyhound for carry-on-board delivery. Last year, Naval Air Systems Command awarded a joint venture between Textron's Bell subsidiary and Boeing a $151 million contract to begin engineering on its variant. The main difference in the CM-V-22 from its sister aircraft is the fuel capacity it will need to carry for the distances traveled, Parker said. And some systems in the back to facilitate getting passengers on and off, and a couple different radio systems, he said. Over the next 2 years, the firms plan to develop the fuselage in Boeing's Philadelphia plant and wings at Bell's Amarillo, Texas, facility, he said. Parker said the CM-V-22's delivery will likely be in the early 2020s, after systems integration and testing. The V-22 program's production line is hot and it's going to stay hot and stay running, he said. Boeing is hoping to expand the V-22 market and international sales. In 2015, Boeing was awarded a contract to produce 5 Ospreys through a Navy foreign military sales contract for Japan, marking the first foreign sale of the tilt-rotor aircraft.